Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and this is Brooke Peterman. We're the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today we're at a special listing in Nelson Hills, 4099 Cider Trail. I'm going to let Brooke tell you all about it.
This home is fabulous, guys. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has split-level floor plan design, huge open living area that leads to the dining room and kitchen. It has a fenced-in backyard with fire pits, perfect for you and your family. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go see this one today. Come on.